Sitting on nearly 9 acres, this West Virginia home offers a true private retreat with room to grow, modern updates, and peaceful country living, while still being a short drive from nearby shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. As you arrive, the property immediately delivers that quiet rural feeling with open land, natural surroundings, and plenty of space between you and the outside world. With 8.87 acres, you get a perfect blend of privacy and usable land for outdoor recreation, gardening, or simply enjoying the calm of country life. The home features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with approximately 2,478 square feet of living space in a functional 1.5-story layout designed for everyday comfort. On the main level, you'll find a cozy living room that connects smoothly into the dining and kitchen areas, creating a warm and open central space for family gatherings and daily living. The primary bedroom is also located on the main floor and includes a private bathroom for added convenience. The main level also includes 2 additional bedrooms, a second full bathroom, a family room, and a laundry area, giving the home a practical layout that works well for families or multi-use living. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious 4th bedroom, along with an additional finished room and a half bathroom. This upper level adds flexibility and can be used as a home office, guest suite, playroom, or recreation space, depending on your needs. Recent upgrades make this home even more